This video is specially dedicated to HCMC. I just looked at company's income statement, balance sheet, cash flow. Today we will talk about financial condition of the company. But before start, please give me a favor. If you are new to my channel or still do not subscribe, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It will really help me out from this critical situation of coronavirus pandemic. So let's start with the company's income statement. Revenue has been increased since 2016 with $1 million each year. It shows us the sales are increasing, companies expanding, and the demand of the product is increasing. So far, the gross income concern, it is increasing every day. But due to coronavirus pandemic, revenue and gross income both are affected from this pandemic. In 2020, the company gross margin was 37% out of total revenue, and it is pretty impressive. But unfortunately, company still could not produce the positive net income because it is minus $3.72 million. But hopefully in the upcoming years, we will see the positive net income. Let's talk about company assets. Unfortunately, company's assets has been decreasing since 2016. In 2016, company had 7.23 million worth of assets, and in 2020 company has only 11.87 million worth of asset with total liability of 9.62 million dollars. So as you can see, the assets and liability both are decreasing. It means company selling its asset either to finance its debt or using in the working capital. So in the nutshell, company is growing so slow because of company is in early stage, and when company will start producing net income, then the growth of the company will be really fast. So it's really risky and a high reward ratio. But if we talk about the reward to risk ratio, reward is huge. Either you can lose all money, but you can make, if they win the case, the million or billion dollars are coming in. The cash flow will be too much. It will really help the company to grow. So you can imagine the company will grow so fast, and in couple of the years it can expand all over the global in different countries, so they can start to produce too much revenue. So it's only about the cash flow. Now company does not have much cash flow, but it's about the future growth of the company. And the key point behind the increasing price of the shares is that you all know that they filed the case against the PM. So let's see what happened. This was the all fundamental analysis. So till then, bye.